Bleep.
What?
It's hot, it's sharp.
How do you know?
Because I just cut something.
In this video, Sarah is not going to cut my throat as she shaved me with this 100-year-old Japanese cutthroat razor. At least, I hope that's the plan.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. G'day, welcome to Chestnut Nag. In the last video I sharpened this little baby, and now we're going to see how good a job I've done and how it works. And Sarah, you're going to be offering some commentary as how good it is compared to, say, an axe or a kitchen knife. If you want to know what I'm talking about there, I've done other videos where you can go check out shaving with various axes, natas, kitchen knives, that sort of deal. Look at that shaving knife.
Why?
It's so not me.
Yeah, but it's so cool.
I like it.
Oh, is that what you're supposed to do? Oh, but does it hold the heat?
I've got no idea.
Right. Oh, God, you've got such a nurse's touch when you do this. Rough as guts.
Because Mum used to be a nurse.
I know.
Like Mum also has to shave the bottom of your neck, Dad.
Mm.
So do you feel nervous, Dad?
Talking.
Don't stick it up my nose!
Can I shave your head? That is oil on that.
No. I got itchy nose.
Oh.
Oh! Don't sniff. It's not soap.
Oh dear.
No. It's a right-handed razor.
Okay.
I presume, because, you know, it's 100 years old, so I don't think it would have been made for left-handed. Lucky.
Lucky, no.
Bleep.
She sweared.
Naughty mummy.
Yeah, naughty. She sweared.
What?
It's hot, it's sharp.
How do you know?
Because I just cut something. Not your skin. Okay.
So
It's alright, there's no blood going everywhere, and I purposely got a red towel so it wouldn't stain my white ones.
Well, that's not very good, dramatic. A white towel would be much better. Yeah, much better for the video.
Oh wow, that is very sharp. I cut your hair in seconds. Dad, don't scream as good. That was like very painful.
Alright, I think I've done my amount.
Oh, get on with it.
At one point, I really think Dad's gonna be getting hurt.
You should be able to take longer strokes than that.
Yeah, but I can't see once it starts to...
You don't need to see, you need to feel.
Okay, this is so sharp.
Well, I don't know how much hair you're taking off, but it's not pulling at all. It's not grabbing the hair and pulling at all.
I'm getting there.
So you should be able to just go in long sweeps until you have to change angle or position. Yeah, like you should be able to go right down to the edge of the chin there.
Let's do it.
Jawline.
I'm not planning to cut you, so shush. Will you stop moving? Can you see what I've done?
Oh, you haven't done it very close.
No.
No, crisply.
Because you do the finishing off.
You fix that up, please.
No. I hope in the world.
It means you're lifting the blade. You should be able to just
No,
keep it on.
I'm keeping it flat. I'm just slicing through the top layer.
Do it properly.
Yes, done.
How's it feel in the hand?
Very small.
You ready to shave me?
Maybe.
With this?
Holy cow. At least it's not too heavy. Not like the accent. That was really heavy.
Yeah. It's not on the skin.
No, well, it's not.
Well, could you put it on the skin?
Why?
Because you're less likely to cut me
Okay.
if you're using the skin to control the blade rather than just guessing where to put the edge.
Are you ready now?
What are you doing?
Can you get where we're at so I can shave comfortably?
Oh, get on with it. What's the worst that's gonna happen?
I cut you.
And I bleed to death, and all my troubles are over, and that'd be great.
And you thought mine would be just beginning.
Oh, well, you wouldn't have to put up with that.
Well, there's certainly that, isn't there?
You did?
I didn't.
Oh. That's not exciting footage for the viewers.
Shush.
I'll have to sneeze or something. Just so they see a bit of blood.
Alright, that's done.
What?
I'm not doing any more. My nerves are just...
You're shot, are you?
Yeah.
Ooh, could I have a
I
go?
can't do it because it's for right-handed people.
You did it with all your other things that were right-handed.
Like what?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I could do it.
So,
There you go, let Laura have a go.
no. So now I'm going to take over and let's see. Because she's left me all bristly rather than giving me a clean shave. So we're going to do it properly now.
See that, Mum?
We've got
That's
our carer
nice and
checking out
clean.
Stuart. We've got our carer checking out Stuart shaving with his cutthroat razor. I thought you were going to do it. I already had my go.
Yeah, she passed out.
You reckon you keep it?
Yeah, I'm keeping this one.
This is the one that's definitely 100 years.
Actually out.
As I said in the video where I was sharpening it up, it's hard to know with old tools unless there's something about them that's very dateable. Like Stanley planes, you can date very closely because there's all these different marks on them that's well documented when those things change, like little different design elements, patent numbers, all that sort of thing. So you can get a really good, accurate, confident age of a Stanley plane. A blacksmith made tool, unless there's something about it that is really identifiable, it could have been made 200 years ago, it could have been made 15 years ago. And it's very hard to tell otherwise. So when you put an age on something, it's very much an impression, and it could be wrong.
So what is it about that one that you want to keep? Why you want to keep that one?
I would suggest people would go back and watch the previous video to go into that. I'll go into that in more detail.
Oh, okay.
See that, Mummy? Nice, clean ones. Not scabby.
Yes, that's how it's done. Except I've cut myself.
Yeah, see, I did the cover.
Well, that's probably because
Yes,
of a
but
lot
I've
of...
got the mole side. I got this mole and I got this mole that I've got to deal with. You didn't have any moles to deal with.
Oh.
Wait, you have moles?
Damn it, Sharp.
It's just the hair's just falling.
I had a really funny idea. If Daddy kept like a small beard here, and then kept his moustache, and then shaved everything else off.
Yeah, no.
Well, that's
Yes.
kind of what I'm doing right now.
Yeah, you should do that. You should keep it like that though.
Oh, it's hard doing the other side.
So you reckon this will be the way you shave from now on?
When I'm not doing videos for other sharpening videos, I think, yeah, maybe. I think with practice, you get very, very quick.
Yeah, I was just thinking about, cutthroat razor races.
Yeah, I'm not sure that's a good idea.
Right.
So, what do you reckon? Alright, leave it like that?
Yes, 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 please, yes, please. Yes.
Can I soak you up?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. More soap.
Yeah, but I want to do it.
Why?
Because I like doing it.
No, you're just going to stick it up my nose or something. Ah!
Why do you need it all over his face?
I don't know.
Show me the other side.
Doing the very edge of my chin is always something I find difficult. No, when I was getting you to do it, I was getting you to have the flat of it against my skin. But now I'm trying to clean it up. I've got it at an angle. So, how's the mustache?
Yes, keeping it. Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, I'm with Mum on this one.
No.
So, to get most of it off, I'm going to go with the flat as soon as I can get it past my snores.
Oh, look at the hair everywhere.
Messy.
That was a bit silly.
This is the bit I always find difficult because there's mole here.
Maybe I should do it.
Why can't I have a go?
Because I'm not afraid of Mum cutting me. I would be afraid of you cutting me.
But you're already cut. And before you weren't, and you said you wanted to give some blood for the viewers. Give me a look.
How good? We done?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah, you've knocked, 10 to 15 years off you, so yeah.
A little bit on my neck. Oh, hot.
That must feel soothing though.
Oh, it feels good to have it all off.
It looks so much better.
Happy?
I am so much happier.
Right, well, it works really, really well. Two things that really impressed me. First of all, how sharp I got it. And that's not so much me, it's, I think, about the quality of the tool, the quality of the tempering was just phenomenal. But you often expect that with tools like this, so that's not a big surprise. The really big surprise though is how sharp it stayed. And I think that's a real testament to the smith, because it might have started to go a little dull towards the end, but I really did a whole face kind of twice, and yeah, maybe just towards the end it was starting to scrape a little bit, but it was not a pull. Not once did I feel any sensation of the hairs being pulled at all. Pretty much start to finish, it was just gliding through the hair. So I think a professional maybe would have touched it up a little bit towards the end, but yeah, it was pretty good. Yeah, so that's it. Now, I hope you enjoy this. There wasn't as much yelling at Sarah as there normally is in these sort of videos, so if you want to see that happening, go back and check some of the other shaving videos I've done. And I hope you'll stay with the channel, because coming up we've got an unboxing video. In fact, I've got 2 boxes to unbox because the second one arrived today. And I will be doing that video as soon as I can. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Done.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're recording.
Hi.
Right, now.
Hello. Let's go.
Okay. Well, there's gonna be this bit first,
Yeah.
where Lucky scares.
In the eye.
Just wait for Lucky to be quiet. Sarah, could you get Lucky to be quiet, please? You ready?
Yeah. Yeah. It's Lucky Butter.
Are you watching, Mum?
Yeah.
Shit.
We'll do it again. Do you want to say something, Elise? Like maybe say something to get the two of you say something together. Like, Mummy swore.
Yeah.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
No. Shit.
Oh no. Mommy swore. Ah! Ah!
Why didn't you say anything, Annalise? Should we do it again?
Ah! Elise, why are you keep doing that? She's leaning.
Annalise, do you want to be in the video, or shall I make it just Angus?
Okay.
Okay, should we try again?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Take 3.
No. Shit.
Oh no, Mommy swore.
Gosh, I think the first one was the best one. Thank you, kids.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Watching?
Yep.
Okay, let's make it a bit bigger for you. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Bleep.
She's scared.
Naughty mummy.
Naughty, she sweared.
What?
Didn't swear.
Yes, you did. I've got it on film. You swore, and our kids saw it.
And Alan didn't, thank goodness.
Alan!
No! He want me to put soap in my mouth. That's what I make him do.
Yeah, he will, and that'll be fun. We'll see about. I'll see if I can get that in another video, but not this one. Bye.